Now, I've been trying to expand the reach of this channel beyond laptops, tablets, 2-in-1s. I do smartwatches, of course, and I wanted to do a little bit more earbuds. Since I've loved the AirPods when they first came out, I wanted to see what kind of alternatives that are out there that can compete, not only in price, quality, and of course, sound. And I came across another good one, this time from a company called FIIL. Now, FIIL makes these really good Driifter DNC Plus earbuds. Now, they're not truly wireless earbuds. They are connected via wire, but I can tell you this, these sound fantastic. The noise canceling on these are really off the charts. They're that good. The sound is good, the bass is good, and here's my review. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and review of the Driifter DNC Plus headphones. Coming up. Now, before we begin, if you like these type of videos, why not hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell. This way you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Make sure you follow me on all the social media, especially Twitter and Instagram. I'll let you know when I post a new video on those platforms as well. Okay, some key features you need to be aware of: active noise cancellation on these, ambient filters, they're using the MAF technology and they do work really well. Battery life up to 10 hours according to FIIL. Music controls, of course, on those controls, we'll talk about that. Bluetooth 5.0 up to 100 feet of range. It all comes together on this. We'll take a look. They come in at $109.99 over at Amazon. There's a $10 coupon as well. I'll put the link below for more information and where you can buy them. But of course, that's enough with the specs. Let's find out what you get inside the box. Let's open it up. And I have to say the packaging is very premium. I was really surprised on how good it was actually. Now, opening the lid, you're greeted by the earphones themselves. And again, I like the quality right off the bat. You get some documentation, some setup information, and just how to use it for basic operations. Now, on the right side of the neck piece is where you're going to get all your basic controls, where you'll charge the device and all the major functions. Now, of course, the earbuds themselves, very good quality right off the bat. And I love the fact they give you different size ear tips because not everybody's ear canals are made the same, of course. So that's great. They give you that variety. And they also give you a micro USB cable to charge the headphones, although I wish it was USB-C, but I'll take it nonetheless. Pairing is super simple. As soon as you turn them on, it's ready to pair, and I was able to pair it with my Pixel 4 XL without any issues. All good on that front. Now, the earbuds themselves will connect magnetically to each other, and when they will go into standby mode. I love that. As soon as you're ready to use them, just put them into your ears and they're ready to rock. I like that. Call quality on the Driifter Plus is excellent, and when I tested it out, the person on the other line didn't even know that I was on earbuds. That's a telltale sign. Now, FIIL claims that these will get up to 10 hours of battery life. I actually got more than 10 hours, believe it or not. I got 11 plus hours, and I think it would have gone even more, but I just didn't have time to test it to go beyond that. So really good battery life is definitely what you'll get with these Driifter Plus. And I have to say they do employ some fast charging as it charges really quick, not very long. That's good. And I have to say, comfort and fit are really good. Form a nice seal in the ear canal, really good noise cancellation when active, and even with the active noise cancellation off, it blocks out a lot of the ambient noise. With them on, you're going to get 98% reduction of ambient noise. That's excellent. Of course, the most important feature of any headphones are going to be sound, and these don't disappoint. In fact, they're excellent. I love the fact that they get really loud, they have good bass, good mids. These are some really excellent sounding headphones. It's hard to show, of course, on a video, but take my word for it, they won't disappoint. So to wrap it all up, can I recommend the FIIL Driifter DNC Plus headphones? And the answer is absolutely. This is a great choice if you're very active, if you like to work out, you want a good fit in the ear. They sound really good implementation as far as active noise cancellation is concerned, 98%, and that's great. It also has outstanding battery life to make this a definite winner. I'm going to give these a score of 92%, making the Driifter DNC Plus headphones definitely worth your money. So what do you think about the Driifter DNC Plus headphones? I absolutely love them. But these are a really good solution. The drifters are really good because they really give you good sound, good active noise cancellation. They give a good fit in the ear. They stay in your ear, so if you're working out, I love the fact that you also have great controls on that right on the right side. So this way, if you want to switch to tracks, if you want to pause it, if you want to go to the next one, if you want to take a call, it's all there. The controls are really handy. It sounds fantastic. It's good bass, good mids. These are a really good pair of Bluetooth headphones. But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. I really think these are a good buy. They're not the cheapest in the world, but they are well built. The quality's there and the sound is there. How could you ask for more? So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.